So I'm gonna love you like I'm supposed to. And I hope they don't make it.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today hair sponsor is by the company Dsoar here. I've worked with them probably like 2-3 times before. They sent me over this 99J red hair, y'all. I was trying to try something different, but if you guys are interested on how I actually styled this unit and how I got the look how I got in the intro, then keep on watching this video. I actually want to start including more of, I guess you would say, behind the scenes of what I do to get my wigs ready, because most of the time you guys see me already with my wigs already ready and styled and stuff like that. But I just want to show you guys how I curl my hair. I did go in with the fruit trees, whatever. If you guys are interested or want to know exactly what it is, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll go ahead and just link it in the description bar for you guys. I did go in and I just trimmed the hair a little bit, because you guys know how like I really hate strangly ends, so I did go in and just cut the ends a little bit, probably like a half an inch or inch and a half, just to give it a little bit more of a blunt cut. And then I went in with my, I believe this is a 1/4 barrel curler, and I just went in and just did some really messy loose curls to it. I mean, I kind of had a direction, but then I kind of didn't. But it's really hard for me to explain how to curl hair, so I hope you guys can watch and see exactly what I'm doing. Y'all don't mind my big ass stomach, but yeah, I'm watching my girl Aaliyah's face while I curl this hair. But like I said, hopefully you guys can see how I'm actually curling the unit and stuff like that, if you guys are interested in how I curl it. But let me know if you guys like when I include you guys more so in the back, not in the back, but like behind the scenes type of stuff of where I actually customize the unit instead of me just installing the unit. But keep on watching. All right, y'all, so we just gonna hop right in looking like a freaking egg. I'm gonna just, because I've been wearing kind of the same cap, let me just put a little bit of that same Ruby Kisses real quick, because I think it kind of faded from me just, you know, wearing it all the time. And then I'm gonna quickly add some of that Tresemme spray on top, just so it doesn't really go anywhere. And then as you guys can see from the previous clip, I already went in and curled it up, and then I also already added that makeup already inside the wig. So this is going to be a little bit more faster and smoother. Ooh. Why won't you get on? Okay. I lied about it being smoother, because what the actual fuck. Okay. But yeah, I kind of was just gonna go straight into me, like, you know, installing the hair and not even showing you guys how I curled it. But I'm like, then what's the point of the tutorial? Like, I mean, I know you guys seen me do my hair plenty of times before, but I don't want to just go ahead and just do my hair and not, you know, show you guys exactly how I do it. I need scissors. But yeah, like, I wanted to at least show you guys how I do some stuff. Like, I know y'all don't want to just watch me installing, you know, wigs and stuff like that. But I am gonna stop, well, not necessarily like all the way completely stop, but I am gonna basically kind of put a hold on me doing so much wig videos. I'm gonna focus a little bit more on my hair, on my personal hair business, so I'm not, like, you know, here promoting so much other people's hair. So yeah, so we're not gonna get as much hair content as before. Like, yeah, I mean, that's a good and a bad thing, because this is how I do content for you guys. This is how I provide content for you guys, even though, like, you know, it's a lot that I do. Maybe I just need to slow down on, like, how much I do a month, because I be doing like 10-12 a month, and that shit gets pretty, believe it or not, that shit gets freaking overwhelming, like, quickly. Like, it gets overwhelming. But I'm debating how I want to do this. Okay, I'm gonna actually cut my hair first. Well, cut the lace first. Okay, so you guys can actually wear this as like a glueless wig, because as you guys can see, like, the whole front and everything, because they do already include a band in the wig, which is perfect if you are trying to wear it glueless. So you have that. But yeah, like I said, you can wear it glueless because it kind of fits like very snug. Now of course, like, these parts would be the part that you guys would need to focus on, so I would just go in with some spray. Can I spray? I hate when this happens to it. Like, you guys see how I say all you would really need to do is focus on the tab, because after the tab, you see how it just, I don't know, just lays better. So if you do want it to be glueless, you can. You don't even have to, you can skip all the extraness that I'm probably going to do. Not me getting it everywhere. But yeah, you can skip all the extraness. Okay. I'm not really gonna focus on like the front section. I'm still gonna spray it, but it's not gonna be as heavy as the sideburns, because like I said, the sideburns is really what I wanted to focus on. And then I'm gonna quickly do one spray around the whole perimeter, but first I'm gonna quickly go in with some makeup and just do just a quick kind of pass on the lace, just so it could blend even better. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Tresemme. I know I'm doing it all careless, but if you do have makeup on, you should probably do this a little bit more controlled. But since I don't have makeup on, I can just spray anywhere and then just later on, you know, fix it. So keep that in mind. And then I know my bin is freaking disgusting, but if you have a cleaner one, good for you. But my shit is dirty as hell. I need to wash it. And then we're gonna leave that on for a little bit. yeah, we're gonna leave that on for a little bit. But before we do that, as you guys can see, like, I hate, like, if you have colored hair, please make sure you define your parts. So what I'm gonna do is go in with my LA Girl, if it can focus, my LA Girl in Fawn, and then I'm just gonna sharpen the tip a little bit. Like, I'll take out the excess off the top, and then I'm literally going to do a line down the middle. Like, I know you guys can see how big of a difference that made. Like, this is crucial. And like I said, especially if you have colored hair. And then I'm gonna kind of go in with the Tresemme just to hold it in a little bit, just so it doesn't really smudge in a sense. Yeah, that spray got in the middle of my freaking throat. All right, y'all, so it's been a few minutes later. These honestly do not take that long to to go ahead and dry, and whew, she's looking like scalp. Okay, she's looking like scalp. So what I'm quickly gonna do is I'm gonna do 4 baby hairs in total. You guys know how I like my baby hairs. Let me go ahead and just fix this part real quick. Because it's gonna bother me if I didn't fix it. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly do 4 baby hairs. 2 on this, well, 1 on the side, 1 big one on the side, and then okay, so I'm kind of in the mood to do the fluffy baby hair, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with my small hot comb. Is it hot? Yes. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the fluffy baby hair look. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and just run my hand through it. This is how my baby hairs look like. Pretty simple. I feel like I could have probably plucked the hair a little bit better, but that's besides the point. But this is how she's looking like. She's giving va boom. She's giving cute, okay? Go ahead and put on my makeup, and then we're gonna come back and then, you know, just do the whole final reveal of this unit. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. This is actually the very next day because y'all, I was tired. It was like I need to stop recording so freaking late because it was like freaking, sorry, I had to fix that because it was bothering me. But yeah, I was recording mad late, and girl, I was like, I do not feel like putting on makeup. Then I don't have anywhere to go, so I would have had to wash it off right after I finished recording. I'm like, oh hell no. So this is the very next day of I actually had to go ahead and re-curl my hair and everything like that, y'all. I'm sorry, my aunt's here and she's talking really loud, so I'm sorry if you guys can hear her. But yeah, this is the next day. I went ahead and re-curled it. Y'all, my boobs is so freaking hot. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm waist training again, so that's why my boobs look so freaking hot. But that's besides the point, y'all. That's besides the point. But yeah, this is how the wig came out. Real cute. Like, it's giving very much Jessica Rabbit type vibes. Like, she's giving cute. She's giving cute. Now I do wish it was a little bit more fuller, but it does the job. It does what it needs to do. Okay, so this is really cute. Now I'm not sure, I forgot what length this is. I think this is probably like a 22 maybe, but if I'm not, don't take my word for it. Just check the description bar down below, and then it'll have all the specifics of the hair and everything. But I know this is like a 99J color. Like, I really love these colors on me for some reason. I don't know why, but I don't know, I like it. Like, I like trying different colors and stuff like that, but I'm really messing with this color. Links in the description bar below. Thank you for sending me this beautiful unit. Everything will be in the description bar linked. This exact unit will be linked. Most likely they'll have like a discount code, so make sure you guys go check that out. Let me know what you guys think about this unit right here, and make sure you guys go ahead and follow my Instagram so you guys can, you know, go ahead and see the little pictures that I'm gonna post with this unit. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you loves in my next video. Bye.
You took my heart, be careful now, take precaution, be very gentle, just know my love run deep, so I'm gonna love you like I'm supposed